Welcome to Tech Research. If you have iPhone and you receive multiple spam messages every day, so how you should avoid all types of spam messages? It's very easy and simple process. So how to do it? Let's start. Here is my iPhone. I just simply enter here in the settings section, search here the message application. Inside the message application, bunch of different information is here, and here unknown senders. It means spam because of someone are sending you message and you are not aware of this person or company. It means this is the spam message. Here one of the option is showing here text message filter spam, hide notification and move message to the spam list. Toggle this one, so automatically create one spam list in your message application, so all types of spam message going to this spam folders in spam section. After toggle on, you just simply go back here in the message section and three line. So look at this here one of the option is showing, it means spam. If you tap here, so next time someone sending me the messages like this, so look at this here, 1 2 3, top of the 3 message, it's called a spam message because of I don't have any idea about this contact. So next time automatically all types of message comes here in the spam section and without disturbing any types of notification. If you are notification enable in message, still you are not enable this notifications for the specific spam messages, and afterwards you can visit on spam folder and check if it is any message are important. So using this process you can very easily avoid spam messages in your iPhone. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.